This communication going between the two of them. It's kind of funny. I don't know. I just keeping an eye on everyone. It's a bit windy today. Ooh. There we go, he's back in the tree. Oh, that should make everybody happy. Looks like there's a bit of a family over there. I love the sound that they make. Anyway, I was just going to say, wanting to introduce, they're having a bit of a fight in the tree. I wanted to introduce the cat to the kitten today, but I'm still thinking maybe tomorrow. You know, I'm just trying to make sure that everyone's not too scared, especially the kitten, who has only really let me hold her and pat her today. So I just want to establish some trust there, and so that she knows that I'm mum and that she's going to be safe with me. So she's still very scared, like I said. Anyway, let's see what happens the rest of the day. Anything exciting happen? I just saw a bird swoop down. I hope there was no one over there. Okay, so I played with the cat a little bit and the kitten a little bit, and now I've just put the kitten back in the cage so that I can introduce the cat to the kitten. And of course there was a bit of hissing, and now she's just staring. Staring. Here we go. She's not quite sure what to make of this. There's a little bit of hissing before. Of course, I've got her in the cage, and I've even covered the cage over. Hey, be nice. Not too much hissing, thank you. Oh, she's not happy. Look at those. Look at those ears. She's been an only child till now. What does it mean?